Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you love being a comfy little couch potato like me, you are going to love this couch cup holder tray.
I always have multiple beverages on me, and I love having a place for my snacks and my remote, and this cup holder tray is perfect. It has a detachable, rotatable 360-degree cell phone holder, and it is made with food grade silicone that is so easy to clean. I just wiped it down with a wet wipe, and all of those little spills came right off. I love how convenient this thing is. It is so nice and sturdy. So when you are sitting down on the couch, you don't have to worry about your drinks spilling, and you have everything right at your fingertips. If you're one of those multiple screen people like me too, you will love being able to have your tablet or your cell phone just propped on the corner of this thing and have all of your stuff right at your fingertips. And you can even put it right on a coffee table if that's something you want to do instead. I think it's amazing.
So whether it's multiple beverages, snacks, remotes, whatever, you are gonna want this couch cup holder tray. I think it is so neat, and that is my point of view.